Have you ever taken the perfect photo and then realized there's that one random person in the background ruining it? Most people think you need Photoshop to fix this, but you can actually do it for free with ChatGPT. Before I type anything for this image, let me show you the prompt I'll be using. For this image, I'm just going to type a user input, the lady in the back wearing orange. And that's it. The user input simply tells ChatGPT what needs to be removed. The rest of the prompt is designed to remove that person and realistically reconstruct the background so the edit looks natural. The more clearly you describe the person or object, the easier it is for the AI to identify exactly what needs to be removed. Let's run it. And there we go. Take a look at the before and after. The lady is completely gone, the background has been reconstructed, and everything else in the photo stays exactly the same. This works for photobombers, tourists, random strangers, unwanted objects, and pretty much anything else you want removed from an image. The best part is that once you save this prompt, you can reuse it on almost any photo in a few seconds. If you want the exact prompt, drop a comment saying prompt and I'll send it to you.